Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today I'm going to show you how to use the GoodRx app, a helpful tool to save money on prescriptions and compare drug prices at nearby pharmacies. Let's dive in. GoodRx is a free app that helps you find the lowest prices for prescription medications at local pharmacies. You can compare prices, find discounts and even access coupons to save money. It is available on iOS and Android. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. If you haven't, search GoodRx on the search bar at the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install and open up your app. Sign up using email, Google or Facebook for a free account. Allow notifications to get price alerts and reminders. Once you're in, tap the search bar at the top of the page right here, then enter the medication name or generic alternative. The app will show a list of pharmacies nearby and their current prices. Tap a pharmacy to see coupons and discount options. To use a coupon, tap get coupon for your choosing pharmacy. Show the coupon on your phone or print it to redeem at the pharmacy. Some pharmacies will allow online use or mail orders. Save the coupon for future use if needed. You can save medications in the app, track prices over time, enable prices alerts to get notifications when price drop, review your saved history to compare past purchases and savings. You can get a premium subscription for extra discounts, access online doctors for prescriptions if needed, view side effects, interactions and instructions. Always compare generic versus brand names for better savings. Check multiple nearby pharmacies. Price can vary. Use coupons even if you have insurance. Sometimes it's cheaper, and that is how you can use the GoodRx app step by step. It is an easy way to save money on your prescriptions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down. Thank you for watching. Bye.